Take care then how you hear. The word how is critical, not take care that you hear, which would be about whether you listen or not. But take care how you hear, which is about the quality, the receptivity, the posture of your listening. Jesus is saying that the act of hearing carries responsibility. How you listen matters. What you do with what you've heard matters. Passive, casual, take it or leave it, hearing is dangerous because truth received but not applied doesn't just sit neutral. It atrophies. For to the one who has more will be given. This sounds unfair at first, mga classmates. The rich get richer, those who already have get more, but understand what Jesus is talking about. He's not talking about material wealth. He's talking about spiritual receptivity.